If you're starting a YouTube channel, one big question you might have is whether to show your face or stay anonymous. Some of the biggest YouTubers use Facecam, while others make millions without ever revealing their identity. But which one actually makes more money? Let's break it down so you can decide what's best for you. Facecam channels have a major advantage when it comes to building trust and engagement. Viewers connect with real people more easily, and that connection makes them more likely to subscribe, watch more videos, and even buy products or services. That's why Facecam creators often do well with sponsorships, personal brands, and coaching businesses. Advertisers also love Facecam content because it feels more authentic, leading to higher CPMs and more ad revenue. But there are some downsides. Showing your face means you need to be comfortable on camera. You have to worry about lighting setup and editing, which can take a lot more effort than simply recording a voiceover. It also makes it harder to scale since people expect to see the same face in every video. This is why many YouTubers who start with Facecam eventually try to outsource editing or limit their personal appearances. Now let's talk about faceless YouTube channels. The biggest advantage here is flexibility. You can automate almost everything using AI-generated voices, stock footage, or animations, which means you can create multiple channels and scale fast. Many faceless channels also get higher CPMs because they focus on profitable niches like finance, tech, and business, where advertisers pay more for views.
Another huge benefit of faceless content is privacy. You don't have to worry about being recognized in public, and you can create content from anywhere without setting up a camera. This makes it easier to stay consistent and upload more frequently, which is key to growing fast on YouTube. But faceless channels also have challenges. Since there's no personal connection with the audience, engagement rates can be lower. Viewers might watch a video and move on instead of subscribing and becoming loyal fans. To succeed with faceless content, you need top quality storytelling and high value content to keep people coming back. So, which one actually makes more money? The truth is, both can be highly profitable, but it depends on your strategy. Facecam channels tend to make more money from brand deals, personal branding, and membership because of the trust factor. On the other hand, faceless channels make more from automation, affiliate marketing, and running multiple monetized channels at the same time. If you enjoy being on camera and want to build a personal brand, Facecam is the best choice. But if you want to scale quickly, stay private, and create multiple income streams, faceless YouTube is the way to go. Either way, YouTube has massive earning potential, and the best choice is the one that fits your skills and goals.